What's the meaning of crayon? Crayon. Crayon.
Crayon. Crayon. A crayon is a stick of colored wax, chalk, or charcoal used for drawing or coloring. It is typically used by children and can come in a variety of colors. The wax or chalk is encased in a paper wrapper that is peeled away as the crayon is used. Crayons are often used for artistic expression and can be used on a variety of surfaces such as paper, cardboard, or even walls. They are a popular tool for children and have been used for generations as a means of creative expression.